right, time to take a look at the BEQOOL wireless HDMI extender. This is good for 1080p. It says it's good for PC, desktop, or laptop, STB, setup box, console, so that's actually very good. So a problem with a lot of the wireless extenders is that they actually have a very long delay, so you can't really game on it. You can, but it's kind of hard to do just because there's that latency. So this one says you can game with it, so that's good. And it says good for DVR. But a cooler thing is that it says it actually supports a transmitter, can be paired with 4 receivers. So if you want to, you can put this into your source and you could transmit that to 4 monitors. So that's pretty cool. It says long range, strong anti-interference, stable transmission, and plug and play. Okay. So we got our user manual. But it actually comes with a micro HDMI adapter. That is something I needed and I did not have, so that's actually really cool. So what that means is I can plug this into my camera and I can adapt that to a standard HDMI port. We also have a mini HDMI adapter. So you can see there's a difference between the micro and the mini. Both of them are smaller than a standard HDMI. That is cool. I really like that they put these in there. Then we got a cable extender, so we can plug this guy in, and then we got a female on the other side. So it's got a long cord for that. This actually comes with quite a bit of features. And then we got 2 power cords. These are both USB-A to USB-C. Then these are the actual transmitters and receivers. And if we look on the end, you can see TX and RX. So TX is transmit, RX is receive. So we'll plug the transmitter into our source. Then we got a port for power right there, and we can reset it right there. And then we'll plug the receiver into our TV or our monitor, whatever we want for that. And it also has a power port and a reset button. So I got the receiver plugged in there, and then the power is going to the USB on the other side. And I got the transmitter plugged into the cord so we can actually see it. And then I got the other end plugged into the micro so I can plug that into our camera. And this is going to need power, so I'm just going to plug this into a V-mount battery for now to supply power to it. It is important that it cannot exceed 5 volts. Okay, that is actually pretty awesome. So, well, that's interesting. It's actually outputting the audio too. But we can see that little blue light is actually flashing right now. It is outputting to that TV. And it's actually going pretty darn fast. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. And so here's the thing. This camera is actually a 4K camera. And even though this is 1080p, it's outputting the full resolution of 1080. So this is the exact setup I've been looking for. This is awesome. So yeah. I am very happy with that.